Hey guys, want to showcase your feature, product, or service images and compare it with an after-before effect? Happy Addons has introduced the Image Compare widget to ease your task and let you differentiate between two images side by side. You can individually add two images and compare them with different styles, layouts, and effects. It will help you to reveal the story of your brand image in a smart way. Let's see how to use the Image Compare widget on your WordPress-powered Elementor website. But first, you need to install and activate these plugins: the free version of the Elementor plugin and the free version of the Happy Addons plugin. Now let's get started. Open the Elementor Editing panel. Add the widget from the left sidebar. Here you can get the default view of the widget. Expand the images and you will find the after and before option for the image. Add the before and after image. Adjust the image size and label. Open up these settings and adjust the visibility ratio. Change the orientation. Enable the overlay and move handle option. Change the effect and see the progress one by one. Click on the style to adjust the handlebar size, handle arrow, and border type. Lastly, open the label and change its background color, box shadow, typography, and border radius. Once you're done, hit the preview button to see the final work. Here's a quick tip. You can reduce your work and extra hassle just by using our LiveCopy paste feature. Let's see how to use it on your website. One more thing that you can do with your design is to add advanced functions. It's a default feature of Elementor. Click on Advanced to explore more options. Here, you can adjust the margin, padding, z-index, CSS ID, and CSS classes to your design. For more information on designing your WordPress site, subscribe to our channel and connect us on our social pages to receive updates on designing your WordPress site using the Happy Addons plugin.